Somebody likes the way the truck sounds.
So today was an extremely hot day and I'm so exhausted, but I wanted to see what these cab lights looked like when we were finished. We finished while the sun was beating right down on the top of the truck, so we couldn't really see them on, but they are on and we got the clear lenses up there. The clear lenses are from Arkon. I ordered them like a year ago now. It's been a year. They're just the clear lenses, and I will say that is exactly what came in the box. When I opened them a couple days ago, I was a little disappointed that it didn't have like the seals like the original ones did, and it didn't come with new hardware, which really sucks because a lot of the hardware that I've taken off this truck has been trash, like the rest of the truck was. So I've been having a really hard time finding hardware. Every time I get into a project, I'm like running to the store to go get bolts and nuts and stuff. So yeah, those are the Arkon lights. They just come with the clear lenses, and then the LED bulbs were purchased off of Amazon, which I'll link in the description box below if you guys are interested. So they came with 10 bulbs and we only used 5, so I'm thinking that those extra 5 will come in handy when we're putting the rest of the shit together. Pretty much that's kind of just how it's been going. So those are super nice. I'm really happy with how they turned out with the lights like off in the shop and it completely dark like it would be at night. It looks, the first thing I said was it looks like a show truck. It just looks so good. Those white lights make it look so clean on that blue. It just looks so good. I didn't really picture the cab lights up there, and it just makes the truck look so mean, especially with these custom headlights. It turned out so good. I couldn't be any happier with how this lighting is going. It's all new to me, but I'm really pleased with how it's turning out. Like I mentioned earlier, tomorrow the goal is to get the interior back in the truck because it is still like all stripped out and kind of just laying all over my garage. So I got that cleaned up earlier, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to come back and put that in as long as I'm not dying of freaking heat, because that doesn't happen to me often, but today it really took it out of me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for all your kind words and support up until this point, and with the headlights and the rest of the build kind of going together. It's been so much fun, and I can't wait to talk more about it with you guys very soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today, but I will see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, it's so spooky. Good thing it's 8 o'clock. I can't get it.
Oh.
Okay. these two door panels on, so I'm gonna go do that to the other side, and that'll be it. It is the next day, and I left off talking to you guys about my interior parts. I put the door panels in yesterday, and I snapped like every plastic piece off of my passenger door, so I had to super glue the little like inserts back together, and then they broke off basically again when I put it back together. I did get it on and bolted up, but those like latches just break, and it's old, so I kind of just figured there was no fixing that. If you guys can see behind me, today it was also the day we put the bed back on. It did end up a lot taller than I expected, especially with setting the bed on. The bed just sits so high. I was not expecting that, but having the bed on, part of the interior back together, basically we're almost done. I have to finish painting the mirrors and the tailgate and bumper this weekend, so we can kind of wrap up the front end and the back end all at once, and then it's kind of just little nitpicking stuff from there. But I'm so happy with how this is turning out. As far as tail lights, tailgate, rear bumper, and then the mirrors, those are the last big parts that need to go on the truck, and then it'll all kind of be pulled together, and I'm so happy with how it looks. So before I completely close out this video, I want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous support through this build and me continuing this channel. All of the support has just been so appreciated and so kind, and just you guys are the reason I kept doing this, and I want you to know from the bottom of my heart how thankful I am to have each and every one of you by my side through this. So thank you again to all that have supported me, and I can't wait to share what's coming, what's to come, what I've been working on. There's so much that's been going on that I haven't really got to share with you guys yet. Make sure you guys are subscribed and your post notification bells are on so you don't miss out on what's to come. Take care. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.